YouTube kittens, it's Cathy Cat, and today we are gonna box a new fashion brand item. Da-da-da-da. This is a Lolita fashion brand from Taiwan, and what happened is actually I was doing street interviews in Harajuku and I ran into the designer and she's so sweet. We started talking, we became very close, and she asked me if I could promote her brand, so she sent me one of her pieces. I'm really excited to open it. So her brand is called Little Rose Planet. The designer of the brand is called May, and she started Little Rose Planet in 2013, so she's already been going for a couple of years steady over there in Taiwan, creating wonderful dresses. I follow her on Instagram, you should do. I'll put her link down below as well. Ta-da! Woo! This little card up here. Thank you, May. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh wow! Ta-da! There's even more in there than I thought there would be. This is so exciting. There are socks and tights. She does awesome tights. And there's a little set here of cards. Oh, there are more tights. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is amazing. This set is here, and I think that goes together. So let's first open this set here that I got. Ooh, I got a letter as well. Let's have a quick look at it. Oh, dear Cathy, thank you for being so nice to help. We are an independent brand from Taiwan. All our prints are original illustrations by the Taiwanese artists. Since we know that you also like cats, we decided to send this set Curiosa and Curiosa Alice JSK to you. It has a cat on it. It's gonna be good. I'm very looking forward to seeing you in October. I'm gonna mention that as well. So first of all, so here we go. They have really nice coordinates as well when they put up pictures on Instagram. Yeah, they have actually two graphic designers. It's Zeeling and Chui. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but these two designers make the ideas, the illustrations for the prints, and then May does the dresses, designs the dresses. So it's a really cool teamwork that the girls have going there. Ta-da-da. And they also stress that their items are 90% Taiwan made, so everything made in Taiwan. Look at these, they're wonderful! Right, there's a Midsummer Night's Fairy Tale tights. That is a beautiful pair of tights. Digital print Ovani socks. Oh, these are Ovani socks. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's start our journey here at the bow, and then we move. You can see musical notes going all the way down, and you can see birds and butterflies. This is butterflies. This side has birds on. And then on this side it has butterflies at the bottom, and on this side it has deer on the bottom. And depending on which side you wear it, you can see one or the other side, so you can decide maybe today I want to have the butterflies at the front, or today I want to have the deer at the front. So depending on which sock you choose, you can match it. That's so pretty. Next one, Little Rose Planet. They have another thing. So that's a darker print. It has a fox on it. What does the fox say? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wow. That is pretty. Oh, these ones are Ovani socks too. Look. Very classy. In a kind of blue. And we also have some greens, like turquoise colors in there. And the fox on it. That is so cute. And I got two cute socks as well. She does socks as well. Look at those. Let's have a look. Ooh, there's a red one. Let's see. It has little goldfish on it. Wow. This is like a whole Lucky Pack right now. I'm getting the Lucky Pack feels. Check out Mr. Goldfish. Boop, 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 boop. That's so cute. Oh, it's so adorable. Look, it's the same goldfish, but this time they are in blue. You can see like it's a kind of gradation color as well. Very light, cute socks. I love those socks. So that is like the bonus thing that I got, but here is the main thing as well, the Curiosa and Curiosa dress. It comes in Red Queen and White Alice, and I think I have the Red Queen here, which is good because I love reds. So this one, I'm so excited. It smells of dreams. This dress is actually inspired by the all-time classic Alice in Wonderland, and there's a little paragraph that she sent me that I'm gonna read out. I've been accused of being Alice and not being Alice, but this is my dream. I'll decide where it goes from here. I make the path, said Alice. Okay! Oh, I'm so excited already. I'm so excited already. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So here are two things that came with it. Let's have a look. We have another pair of cute printed socks. Ooh, look at them. That has a real Alice feel to it. It has like teacups And it has muffins that say "Eat me!" Ooh, that's so cute. And it says Curiosa and Curiosa, so that's also the print. So for example, this one you could, for example, wear with the Alice dress. Now here are the tights that go together with the Curiosa and Curiosa dress. You can see it has the little Rose Planet logo on, and it says also here Curiosa and Curiosa. That's amazing! Oh my gosh, that's so cool! So, right here on the top of the tights, you have roses and you have the white rabbit. In case you're searching for the right rabbit, here it is. So only you guys can see that, because obviously usually he'll be hiding, right? So then you move up the dress and we have the nice cross lace pattern all the way down the laced socks. Da-da-da-da. But that is not everything, because on the back there is a different design all over again, and we have the white rabbit, but this time he is followed by, you can see, little cupcakes and teacups, the ones that you've seen on the small socks as well. They're going all the way down, and it says the title of the dress, Curious and Curious, are also keys and similar things. And down at the bottom you can see is a clock, like a old style clock. That is so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come. We're all there to unpack this lovely dress. Let's have a look. Da-da-da-da. Curiosa and Curiosa. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da. This is amazing. It has a huge cat, like she said. Da-da-da-da. They're horses with wings. And we got the things. Oh gosh, where do I start? Let's start at the top. I don't want to take it all away yet. Here is the top of the dress. It is topped up with a nice bow that you can actually take off, and it has a separate pin that you can also put it in your hair. So in case, this is a brocade pattern. Wow, nice one. So you can actually take this off, and it has the pin here, so you can actually pin it onto something else, or you can clip it into your hair. So if you just want to use this as a hair accessory instead of putting on the dress, you can do that straight away. That is a clever idea. I like that. You can say this one here is a kind of brocade one. You can see it has a pattern on. It's very sturdy. It's very well done. Oh, there's so much attention to detail. I can't, like, oh my gosh. So I took the bow off. The bow you can take off and you can move around. There are these beautiful buttons right here. You have this kind of lining coming all the way down. These buttons have little stars on them, and then there is another bow here, and again, same thing, you can take the bow off and you can also put it into your hair if you so wanted to. And it has the Curious and Curiosa print on that you've seen on the socks, and a larger version and the Eat Me cakes. On the back you'll be very happy to find out that it has shearing, so it stretches, it adapts to several sizes, which plus size Lolitas will be happy about. So you can stretch it so it will fit more sizes. Also, what I say, if you have plus size, never be afraid to actually contact the designer themselves and ask her if she can make a dress for your size. I know she did this dress for my size, so there might be a chance for you. Just contact her, leave her a message and say, hey, I would like to have this. Now this is a very high quality one, and I can tell that she puts a lot of detail into it, and also a lot of attention to detail there. So I can tell you something about the quality in a moment, but let's move down this skirt. Very merry on birthday to you! There's one birthday cake! Can you see the on birthday cake? Very merry on birthday to you, and has the Mad Hatter sign. Loads of things. There is the white rabbit, in case you were missing him. And come all the way around again. And then you come to the cat. I think the cat is my absolute favorite. It's so cool. Then we have the unicorn horse. Not unicorn horse, the fairy horse. One thing that May told me is they focus on small but high quality manufacturing, which means they don't produce as many dresses to not like leave such a big print on the environment, is what they said, but they produce them with loads of love and detail to help the environment. So here are things that I'd also like to stress. There is a zip on the side helping you easily get in and out of the dress. Then the bow on the back has again this wonderful, wonderful patterned material, and it ends with a little detail here. I love it. The buttons here are star-shaped buttons, so you can actually take this bow off as well if you wanted to. And now here's the attention to detail that I really appreciate. The inner lining is done properly, so she's done proper lining on the inside, and actually this is her star logo. You have seen it looks like a planet with a crown on, and this logo is actually represented here on the print. And you can see here is her original tag for Little Rose Planet. And at the bottom, there is a little bit of black lace as well. I love this baby. Wonderful. So much detail, so much attention to detail. I can tell this is absolutely handmade, and it's so good. Well done, May. Thank you so much. Let's have a look how it looks worn and also see what the idea behind the dress was. Transformation time! And here we are, Curiouser and Curiosa. I got changed. So what I did is I actually put the bow that was on top of here, put that on my blouse so it would work nicely. Wearing it like this, just look what a queen it is. So this is the red queen dress. I keep finding things on this dress. There are, you know how in Alice in Wonderland the Queen of Hearts orders to paint the roses, the white roses red? That's what you can see. I was wondering, look, if you look closer, it's painting the white roses red. That is so clever, and it's kind of slightly creepy and cute at the same time. Fantastic. And the whole story is going around my dress. My dress is telling a whole story, and you can see the tights are lovely. They're so cute. So I'm wearing it with the tights. And here comes an extra message from the designer. In many places, sociality form their opinion on what others should wear and discourage anyone who is different. We hope that the girls that wear Lolita fashion will not be afraid to proudly show themselves. On that note, big announcement, kittens, I'm gonna go to Taiwan! Da-da-da-da! There is a Lolita fashion event, and I'm gonna take part as one of May's models for Little Rose Planet. So if you happen to be in Taiwan, be sure to come by. The event is called The Way I Am Lolita Fashion versus Girl Style Fashion Show and Market. And it is on October 27th. So that's coming up soon. It starts at 11, finishes at 6. It's gonna be a very exciting event. There's gonna be loads of Lolita fashion lovers and kind of cute girl style fashion lovers. I'm very excited. It's gonna be my very, very first time in Taiwan, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. 15 different brands from Taiwan will participate on this show, so it's definitely worth checking out, seeing what they're doing. And there will be over 20 accessory and clothing booths at the market as well to shop around, browse and enjoy. So hopefully I'll see some of you in Taiwan, Taipei, October 27th. Be sure to be there. Now, if you enjoyed this fashion that I'm wearing, it is by May, Little Rose Planet. Definitely worth checking her out. I love the quality. I love how light the dress is. I love the detail of the print and how much love and care go into making these dresses in collaboration together with her designers. So be sure to check her out. I put the link down to her brand. Give her a click, see if you like it. She has a Facebook and she has a really cool Instagram. So definitely let's show our support for independent brands that want to get their name out there. So yeah, May's brand is definitely a brand that I can get behind. So Little Rose Planet, please be sure to check her out. And if you're curious, definitely write her a message and see if she likes it. Yay! Kittens, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dress. I hope you enjoy Lolita fashion. And as May said, we hope that the girls who wear Lolita fashion will not be afraid to proudly show themselves. It's definitely an idea that I can get myself behind. So no matter where in the world you are, don't forget, life is short, so be nice to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Catch you soon, bye!